Hi friends, let me show you this new couch or sofa arm tray. As you can see, it has all this space to put stuff, your cup, your phone, keys, whatever you want. It even has these side sleeves so you can put a magazine or a tablet. Let me show you how this base, this grid, and these metal bars here help you so it won't move, it won't it will have a good grip in the couch or in the sofa, okay? So you can put, as I tell you, your accessories, you have space for your remotes or whatever you want to keep nearby in your sofa, but you don't want it to be just everywhere being lost. So you can put any kind of cup, and this cup holder, you can get rid of this accessory and put some other stuff here, like a magazine or your tablet, okay? Or, well, you could put a cup without the cup holder, of course, and you can put your phone here. You can put your tablet like this, so you can see it or use it as another way of seeing your tablet, looking at your tablet, as you can see. Okay, so, well, you have plenty of ways to use this sofa arm tray. I think it's great. Okay. You could even get this out of the way if you just want to have the side sleeves, okay? And you can, this is a magnetic vase. You could change it the other way around or take it to wash it or to clean it, whatever you want to do. So I think that this accessory is nice. It's great for your living room, for your TV room, wherever you spend some time in a couch or in a sofa and you want a nice way of organizing, of putting your stuff and having a great time with your stuff all organized. Thank you.